In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to add your currency, also known as Forex, pairs onto your MetaTrader platform, which is also known as MT4 on your mobile phone. So once you've set up your live account or your demo account, you go to the left-hand side, the bottom left-hand side, saying quotes, click on the icon, and then some of the pairs are already going to be listed on there. And generally, a lot of brokers, they attach the major pairs on there. Then you want to go to the top right-hand side, the plus icon, click on that. And I want to go to Forex miners. I'm going to add the exact same pairs as I did in the previous video for setting up the pairs on my watch list. So I'm going to use Australian dollar as the example. I'm going to press the green plus icon for the pairs that I want. So Australian dollar CAD, Aussie Swiss franc, AJ, AN, and AU is already added to the main screen from when I set up the account. I press done. And then you can see they've appeared at the bottom. But I like to have everything in order, exactly how I have it on my TradingView. That's the perfectionist in me. So now I'm going to click the top left-hand icon, which looks like a pencil. And all I'm going to do is click the three lines next to the pair that I want to move. So Australian dollar CAD, I click on that, and you can see it's highlighted. I shift it to the top, and then I literally just shift all the other ones in the exact order that I want. Now, this is going to mirror the exact same watch list that I have on my TradingView. And the great thing with setting up your TradingView pairs with FXCM as that broker is that it pretty much mirrors IC Markets, which is the broker that we use. And just to finish off, press the pencil icon again, top left, and voila, you're done. And that is how you set your pairs on your MT4.